Hey creators, filmmakers, and camera lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going in depth on one of the most anticipated releases in the camera world, the Sony A7V. Whether you're a professional photographer, aspiring filmmaker, or content creator, this next-gen hybrid mirrorless camera is generating massive buzz, and we're about to tell you why. In this video, we'll dive into the full background of the A7 series, break down every credible leak and insider rumor, go through 15 plus new features, explore its price range, evaluate the competition, and lock in on its projected release window. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss deep dive gear reviews like this one. Sony A7 history. The legacy so far, the A7 series is legendary. Sony was among the first to bring full-frame mirrorless cameras to the mainstream, and each generation built upon the last. The original A7 launched in 2013, impressing with a compact body and full-frame sensor. A 7.2 brought in body stabilization. The A7 III was the game-changer, offering flagship-like specs at a mid-range price, and became the go-to for hybrid shooters. The A7 IV, Dozus, released in 2021, enhanced the lineup further with a 3.3 MP sensor, 10-bit for 2222 video, and real-time eye tracking. But now, creators are hungry for the next step. That's where the Sony A7V enters the picture. Early rumors and confirmed leaks, sources across forums, patent filings, and insiders like Sony Alpha Rumors and Nokashita suggest these specs for the Sony A7V new 3.6 MP stacked back illuminated. Full frame sensor, no crop 4000 at 120 fps. Internal recording, AI driven. Autofocus from the A7R V and a 9.3. Dual card slots, see FlexPress Type A plus SDUHS to USB 4.0. For ultra-fast data transfer, revamped menu UI and improved touchscreen. AI-enhanced 5-axis IBI is up to 8 stops, advanced thermal cooling from FX3 Tech. Native UVC UAC livestream support possibly. A modular EVF option. Some of these features are direct upgrades from higher-tier models like the FX3 or A1, but adapted for the A7V's prosumer market. Top 15 new features and technologies: 3.6 MP. Stacked BSI sensor, full frame 4K 120p video recording, M10-bit 42222. Internal recording plus S-Cinetone AI-powered autofocus tracking, advanced real ITMI animal and bird tracking, 8-stop and body image stabilization powered by AI, updated UI with touch navigation. Fully articulating 3.2 screen 9.44 m.EVF for clearer viewing, dual media slots for redundant recording, USB 4.0 and full webcam support with their sealed magnesium alloy body, FX3 style heat dissipation. System enhanced audio input, digital interface for XLR, faster startup, lower latency. Quieter operation, price range and market positioning. The A7 IV launched at $2,499 USD, while the A7R V came in around $3,899 United States dollars. Insiders and supply chain analysts predict the A7V will sit between $2,699 and $2,999 USD. It undercuts the high-end A1, but offers many of its best features, like the stacked sensor and AI autofocus. This means incredible value for hybrid creators looking to shoot pro-level video in stills. Versus competition, 3.6 MP versus 3.3 MP. Stacked versus regular 4K 120p versus 4K 6OP. AIAF versus traditional real-time tracking. A7V versus Canon R6 Mark II, higher resolution. No crop for K120, better EVF and IBIS A7V versus Nikon Z6 III, similar stacked sensor, but Sony's autofocus still leads. Ecosystem advantage with Sony lenses, A7V versus FX3, more video-centric features in FX3. A7V is more hybrid-focused and affordable, release date expectations based on multiple sources. Sony is expected to unveil the A7V around October or November 2025. Pre-orders may go live immediately, with shipping before the holiday season. Expect the official reveal to happen at a Sony Alpha launch event, just like we've seen with the A1 and A7R V. Should you wait or buy now? If you already own an A7 III or older, the A7V is a massive upgrade, especially if you're into high frame rate video or advanced autofocus. If you own the A7 IV, the decision is tougher. You might wait for A7V's reviews, or go with an FX3 if you're mostly focused on video. The A7V is built for hybrid creators who want both professional photo and video quality without breaking into the $4,000 range. To wrap it up, the Sony A7V looks like a hybrid powerhouse with a new stacked 3.6MP sensor, cinematic, 4K 120p video AI, enhanced autofocus and stabilization, a revamped UI and major usability upgrades, all likely coming in under $3,000. That's wild value. Let us know in the comments. Are you planning to upgrade to the A7V, waiting for something even bigger, or sticking with your current setup? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, give it a like, subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns, share it with your fellow creators. Thanks for watching, stay inspired, keep shooting, and we'll catch you in the next one.